Can you still get office financing? Well, for the past several years, office properties have been one of the most discussed sectors in commercial real estate. And headlines about remote work and rising vacancies and declining office values have caused many investors and business owners to get a little gun shy and wonder, can you still get office financing? Well, the answer is yes. However, office financing today is far more selective than it was before the pandemic. And lenders are carefully evaluating property performance, tenant quality, lease terms, location, and borrower strength before approving loans. The good news is that office financing remains available through banks, credit unions, life companies, CMBS lenders, debt funds, SBA lenders, and private capital sources. And through CommLoan's network of over 700 lenders and its Cupid matching technology, borrowers can efficiently identify financing options tailored to their property and objectives. Why office financing became more challenging? Well, many office buildings experience occupancy declines as hybrid and remote work models became more common. And as a result, some office property values declined and vacancy rates increased in certain markets, and refinancing became more difficult. But lenders also tightened their underwriting standards. And rather than avoiding office altogether, lenders are focusing on properties that demonstrate long-term viability. So what lenders want to see? Strong occupancy for one. Properties with stable occupancy and long-term tenants receive the most favorable financing consideration. Quality tenants, so national, regional, medical, government, and professional service tenants are often viewed more favorably than a short-term or a startup tenant. Healthy cash flow. Lenders are going to evaluate net operating income or NOI and the resulting debt service coverage ratio or DSCR, but also the rent rolls and historical operating statements. Experienced borrowers. Investors with a successful track record of managing office properties often receive better financing options. Modern competitive buildings. So properties with updated amenities, strong locations, and flexible floor plans generally perform better during underwriting. Office financing options available today. We've got traditional bank loans, and these are best suited for, say, an owner-occupied office building or a stable investment property with strong sponsorship. And the benefits there, competitive rates, long amortization, and relationship banking opportunities. But SBA 504 and SBA 7A loans, these are excellent for owner users occupying at least 51% of the building. And the benefits there is a lower down payment, long-term fixed rates with higher leverage. But life company financing, often available for Class A office assets, institutional quality properties with strong tenant profiles. And the benefits there is there's competitive fixed rates with long loan terms and larger loan amounts. CMBS loans, and these are suitable for stabilized office investments and really for larger commercial assets. And the benefits there are it's non-recourse option, so you can raise capital. It's long-term financing with flexible ownership structures. There's also debt funds and private lenders. And these are ideal for transitional properties or a lease-up opportunity or a repositioning product. And the benefits there is it's faster closings, more flexible underwriting, and with creative structures. And CommLoan's lender marketplace includes banks, credit unions, agency lenders, CMBS lenders, life companies, debt funds, and private lenders, helping borrowers compare financing options through a centralized platform. How to improve your chances of approval? Well, prepare a detailed rent roll, organize your operating statements and financials, demonstrate strong property management, highlight your tenant retention strategies, and present a clear business plan. But also work with an experienced commercial mortgage advisor. Here's the bottom line. Despite negative headlines, office financing is still available for well-positioned properties and qualified borrowers. Today's lenders are simply more selective and focused on asset quality, occupancy, cash flow, and sponsorship strength. And if you're purchasing, refinancing, or repositioning an office property, Leveraging technology and access to a broad lender network can significantly improve your financing outcomes. And CommLoan's platform connects borrowers with hundreds of lenders and thousands of loan programs to identify financing solutions based on their property-specific criteria. And that, my friends, is it for the day. Please visit my website, billrapp.comloan.com. You can start a pricing quote. You can also schedule a consultation. I would love to have a conversation with you and put our best foot forward and see what we can do to help you. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.